Hi everyone, it's Kelsey, part of the support team at Vorne. Today we're going to be making exceptions to our regular time schedule. This is especially helpful around the holidays. We'll begin by logging into the web page interface as an administrator. We're going to navigate up to the settings menu and then to the time schedule page. As you can see, I have my time schedule set with 3 different shifts, Monday through Friday. But next week on Thursday is Thanksgiving. So I'm going to go here into my exceptions tab and I'm going to add a not scheduled day. I'm going to put in for next Thursday, which is the 28th. And for description, I'm going to put Thanksgiving. I'm going to click save and then save again. And I can confirm that this worked by going to my calendar page and navigating forward to Thanksgiving, and you can see that it is showing up as not scheduled. The benefit here is that I'm not expecting production, so I'm not going to accrue an entire couple shifts of downtime. If you need to make changes to individual shifts, you can do that also from the calendar page. So you can go ahead and click here on your third shift and you can delete that. And this is only for November 29th, that particular Friday, not every Friday going forward. So we can also achieve what we're looking for in this way. However, I prefer this because it gives us a reason. We understand why we're not scheduled for that day. Don't forget to click save. And if you do make any mistakes here, you can always just restore any of the shifts that you might have deleted. And that's it. Thanks so much for joining us, and we hope you come back for more tips and insights.